Portable monitor, Lepow upgraded 15.6-inch IPS HDR 1920x1080f HD computer display game screen with USB Type-C HDMI for laptop PC Mac phones box switch PS4 includes smart cover screen protector blue FHD 1080p HDR IPS screen. Lepow HDR portable monitor delivers a vivid image and truly immersive viewing experience with stunning 1920x1080 resolution visuals and awesome color reproduction. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS portable screen offers 178 degrees full viewing angle. Eye care protection keeps your eyes from getting tired during prolonged use. Upgraded system and Pro configuration using LSO 3.0.1 system. This Lepow Z1 Pro display enables more device connection, allows ultra-stable and smooth operation. By aluminum alloy CNC process, the most durable frame can efficiently reduce scratching, protect a perfect outlook for your monitor in long life using. Multiple device connection. Lepow portable monitor can easily connected to laptop PC Mac smartphones XBO XPS4 switches, etc. You can freely set it to landscape or portrait mode using duplicate extend per second screen mode to improve your efficieny in all kinds of work and entertainment. Portable design and versatile view. Ultra slim and lightweight design, 0.34 and 1.69 pounds, allows you to easily bring Lepow monitor in business trip and short travel. Included fordable flexi stand is particularly designed for perfect vision. You can freely adjust the stand angle according to your demands. Dual speakers and screen protector. Built-in dual stereo speaker delivers loud and immersive 360-degree sound with deep and accurate bass. Blue light filter minimizes blue light to reduce eye strain. HD protective film not only bring high-definition screen performance but also efficiently protect the screen from any damaging. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.